Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the TestFlight app on your device. Now, if you want to download the TestFlight app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To download the TestFlight app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected with Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then make sure that you are connected with it. So after that, you need to simply open App Store on your device. And if you're using Android, then you need to simply open Play Store on your device. So after that, this is the home page of App Store where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right. And from here, you need to download the app TestFlight. So simply search TestFlight and click on the option of search. So after entering search, you'll see the various options like TestFlight, App Store Connect and all. So you need to click on the option which says TestFlight and you'll see the icon like this. So you need to click on the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. And if you're installing it for the first time, then it asks you to verify by double pressing on the power button at the very top. So click on the option of install. So as you can see that the download process has already started on my device and it will start on yours too like this. So that's it. That's how you can install the TestFlight app on your device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.